All right, let's give this a shot. If you're wanting to search for somebody who was sent a broadcast email, but you didn't actually click the little toggle, then you're going to want to actually come down here and say, you're going to find the option that says opened email. Let's see here, open, where is it? Yeah, last open email. So I'll click on that and not say any email, but actually the email that I want to show is this broadcast here that I sent, and then is set to. So if it's set to that, it should show me all the people who received the email and opened it. And so what I would do then is, now that it's showing me all that, I'm going to collect all those people. I'm going to click on them, and I'm going to add a tag called opened my cold email, apply tag. So that was applied to 50 people. That's weird. So I guess I need to, how do I select all? It doesn't show me that option, eh? So I got to scroll down. Okay, so let's go back. Now that I've scrolled down to expose, that's not even letting me do that. There we go. And then I'll add the tag. Hopefully it won't double up on the tag. Yeah, okay, now that's, there we go, apply tag. Now that I have that, I can now resend that broadcast email to people that don't have that tag, that were sent that email prior. Now, actually, you'd probably just go create a new email. Yeah, that's what I would do. Broadcast. Go to my sent and say, okay, here's the email I sent, and I will create a duplicate. So then I'll add a rule. Tag is not exactly cold. What did I say? Open cold 2019. I don't think that's right. Starts, let's say starts with open. So that gives me the 176. I think that was pretty close, if I remember right from our search. Okay, that's how I do it.